Hey, what's happening, guys? Happy Thanksgiving if you're here in the United States. This is my favorite holiday of the year, the day we get to spend with family and good food. So my question to you is, if you're celebrating Thanksgiving today, pumpkin pie or pecan pie? Put your answer down below. I want to know. I'm a pecan pie guy myself. Pumpkin's okay, but I'd rather eat pecan. But we're not here to talk about food. No. We're here to talk about tomorrow. Because what follows Thanksgiving is Black Friday and Cyber Monday. And it's time to shop. So I thought I'd go out over the web and look for some things that are of interest to folks like us and see what kind of prices that we could find and put together a little Black Friday electronics guide. Let's start with this. The KSGER T12 soldering station. It's a temperature controlled iron. You've seen me use it in many videos. I did a review on it. This is the Amazon price. It's $60. It is so worth it. This is really a great soldering iron. I highly recommend it. You might be able to find it cheaper tomorrow or Cyber Monday, but if you're in the market for a soldering iron, definitely take a look at this one. Next up, the Handtech DSO 5072P. I have gone through, maybe 20 oscilloscopes in the past 2 years on this channel, looking for the perfect beginner scope. And this is the one that I compare them all to. You're not going to beat it. It's $229. This one here is 70 megahertz, but they come factory updated, so they're already 100 or 200 megahertz. You don't have to worry about it. They're fantastic. Granted, they don't have deep memory and they don't have protocol decoding, but you're not going to go wrong with this scope. If you're in the market for a bench scope, start with this one. It'll last you a really long time. Next up, Nanos. Buy as many of them as you want. This is from AliExpress. 3 of them for $12. They are electrically the same as the Unos. They're just a smaller form factor. Fantastic. You can probably find them a little cheaper than this, but this will give you an idea. Now, I just did a review on this electronic component kit a couple weeks ago from Banggood, one of the major sponsors of this channel, so thank you, Banggood. Anyway, this is a great kit. It's got resistors, capacitors, diodes, LEDs, everything you want to get started playing around with electronics, and for $15, it's a price you can't beat. And if you're going to get started playing around with electronics, you're going to need a multimeter, and it's hard to beat the Anang 8008. $20. It's a fantastic meter. I highly recommend it. You don't need to spend $100 on a multimeter. This one is fantastic. You'll love it, trust me. So we already talked about an oscilloscope here with the Handtech DSO 5072P and some electronic components and a multimeter. Well, the next step in putting together your home electronics lab is going to be a function generator, and I love this one. This is the JDS 2800. They have them in a bunch of different flavors, from 15 through 60 megahertz. I mean, $70. A function generator like this with DDS, digital signal generation, 5 years ago would have cost you $500. It's an incredible price. This is from AliExpress? Yeah. No, this is Banggood. Banggood. It's $70. You can get this off Amazon too if you don't want to wait, the month for it to come from China. But yeah, highly recommend it. Highly. Always going to need resistors. You can never have too many resistors. Here is a pack of metal film resistors. I prefer these over the carbon resistors. They're just easier to read. Here you're getting 2,425 pieces, 97 different values. These are an 1/8 watt, from 1 ohm to 1 mega ohm, $9. Buy a couple packs, throw them in a drawer. Trust me, if you're playing around with electronics, you're going to need them. And finally, you're going to need a power supply. And one like this for $12 is perfect to get you going. You can plug into the input here from an old laptop power supply, which will get you up to like 18 volts. This is boost buck. It's perfect. You're gonna love it. So these are just a few things that I put together to give you guys an idea of some things you could pick out for Black Friday if you're in the mood, or Cyber Monday, whichever, whatever you decide. I wish you and your family a very happy Thanksgiving. That's it. I'm out. Peace.